What's up, family? Today we got a little surprise. Going to be doing a Purium unboxing of the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation. So if you have been following us at all, we're still doing a fantastic mind-body reset in the month of September. And it was such a success. We had so many people have these incredible transformations with their movement practices, with their nutritional practices, lifestyle in general, mind-body reset. I decided, hey, why don't we show you exactly what we got in this box here? So everything comes, and there's a little bit of paint on here. If you're noticing what that is, we're doing some painting and got a little bit on here, but that's okay. So what we got in the box here is what comes with your 30-day Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation. So before we dive into what's in here, let's start with why you would want to do this. So this could be many different reasons for a lot of people. The first and most common reason is people want to lose weight. Most of us are carrying on toxins. We are so exposed. If you've followed any of my content before, you hear me talk about tap water, all the toxins in tap water, the toxins in food. So many toxins around us, electromagnetic frequencies, pollution, the list goes on and on. The point being is we have a lot of toxicity in our body, more so than any humans in human history. So the best thing that we want to do is to be able to detoxify those toxins from our body. And oftentimes our fat cells will encapsulate toxins to protect the rest of our body from being exposed to them. So basically there's a toxin here, the fat cells morph around them. And oftentimes by simply detoxifying the body, people are going to lose a lot of weight. So weight loss is number one, detoxification. Maybe you're having some sort of digestive troubles is a great one as well. Maybe you're looking for mental clarity. Maybe you're looking to, gain some muscle, which may seem like, what is cleansing my body? How is that going to help me gain muscle? Well, if your body isn't spending all this time detoxifying, it's actually able to rebuild and repair. So those are some of the reasons. There are many other reasons why people do it. Sometimes you just want to give our body a clean slate, allow ourselves to reset and replenish. So now that we got the why done, let's focus on what's in the box. So when you open it up here, let's see what we got. So first of all, there's going to be some different guides in here. So we got lifestyle guides, and this is going to be a lot of material, talking about the company, talking about the owners, talking about some schedules you can utilize. There's a few different options for the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation. You've got some things talking about smart orders, which smart orders are basically a monthly recurring order. That when you set that up, you love the products, you want to get them on a monthly basis, you save 25% as a returning customer, and you also get rewards points to go towards some other products. So again, we got some different scheduling options here, a lot of great little handouts, checklists of our progress of plastic. So this is actually a little bit older. I've had this one for a little while, but saving over 100,000 pounds of plastic at this point, so that's pretty darn cool. So here, we got a little more handouts. We got some checklists. So this is where you can check exactly where you started, day 0, 10, 20, 30. It is a 30-day Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation. You can measure your weight, your biceps, your mid-arms, belly button, hip, all these different things, and it does come with a little tape measure as well. So you got some QR codes, you can watch some certain videos. So very well put together, a lot of great material in there. So let's dive into the products. What does we come with? Well, the most popular is the PowerShake, Appleberry PowerShake. So they are discontinuing the creation of these plastic tubs. So whether you're getting one now, you may not have them anymore. If they still have them in storage, they send you one of these, and then they're gonna send you a couple of these. So Appleberry PowerShake, this is the Liquid Sunshine. This is the main piece of what makes Purium great, in my opinion, is having access to all these green juices. It's basically wheatgrass, spirulina, alfalfa leaf. It's your baseline nutrition. I look at it as a whole food multivitamin. People say spirulina is nature's multivitamin. Well, it has that, it has wheatgrass, alfalfa leaf, and a whole heck of a lot more. And what I really like about the PowerShake is that it also has healthy fats in there. We went through a phase of humanity. We thought fat made you fat, fat is bad. We had a fat phobia. But it turns out fat is actually pretty essential for a lot of things, including the ability to absorb fat-soluble vitamins. So when I used to work at a juice bar, it would drive me absolutely crazy when people spend $14 on organic juice, and then I'm saying, hey, why don't you get a little energy bite with that? Something with a little fat, maybe some peanut butter, almond butter. And be like, no, you're just trying to sell me. It's like, no, I want you to actually get the fat soluble vitamins that you're spending $14 on so you can actually absorb them. So this is what I love about this. It has fat, has fiber, has the greens, has everything you need for a baseline nutrition. It's a well-balanced green juice. So also in here, this was a little bonus at the time I bought it, daily fiber blend. Sometimes I throw promos in there, you can get some free stuff. So that's not typical, but that, you know, look for a bonus. Sometimes those are out there. Now, if you follow my stories, super aminos. These are the pre-digested vegan amino acids. These amino acids are the building blocks of protein. So basically your body is taking protein, whether it's from chicken, fish, you know, nuts, whatever type of protein you are consuming, and it breaks them down into amino acids. So these are essential amino acids. So this is all the amino acids that your body needs to function at a high level. So if you follow me, you know, I love to chew these up. You don't need to chew them because they are pre-digested and your body is, you know, not having to do a ton of work. You can maintain a fast, and that is the single biggest difference between the Purium 30-day, what people call a cleanse, transformation, whatever the word you want to use, detox, is that you can actually build muscle while you're doing it because you have pre-digested vegan amino acids. Whereas a lot of other places, you're not getting that protein, so your body is losing weight, yes, but sometimes people are losing muscle. So these were actually used originally for cancer patients who were unable to digest food, and they actually were given to them so they could maintain their muscle mass while they were going through treatment. So these are incredibly powerful. I'll never forget the first time I took them. I was actually working at the school where I love the after school program, and I was gonna go climbing after. I remember it took them like 30 minutes before I left work, and they're called 23 because on average they get to your muscles in 23 minutes. I felt the veins in my forearms were just popping out, and I just got a surge of energy that I was like, man, I can't wait to get the rock gym because I just need to climb right now. So these are powerful. I go through the serving size is 5. I probably have 15 to 20 a day. You know, 5 to 10 when I wake up, and 5 to 10 before I go to the gym, 5 to 10 before I get home from the gym. So these are great ways, especially on the road. Key, they're great with dark chocolate. If you ever need a road snack, some Aminos and dark chocolate, the best. So those are great. Those are one of my favorites. Now, let's go to Purium's claim to fame. This is what really makes them stand out. This is the Biome Medic. So this is a super probiotic, and the intention here is to help to remove glyphosate. So glyphosate, again, if you've watched any of my content, you've probably seen my podcast, What's to Do with Glyphosate. If you haven't checked that out, go to wholehealthconnects.com/podcast and do Control F, and that'll help you search to find glyphosate. It's called What's the Deal with Glyphosate. I talk about glyphosate a lot. You know, I study sustainable food and farming in my undergrad. And we spray a lot of chemicals on our food, but glyphosate is by far the most common and oftentimes the most detrimental. And, you know, we see people in Italy who can eat wheat pasta and all these things and they're perfectly fine, yet here we have all these, you know, gluten intolerances, celiac disease, and a lot of times these inflammatory responses are actually a response to the glyphosate as opposed to the actual food itself. So when you're eating non-organic things, Cheerios have the highest percentage of glyphosate out of any cereal, by the way. A lot of foods have glyphosate. So this is the only product shown on the market with third-party testing shown to remove glyphosate from the gut. So over 6 weeks, it's been shown to remove up to 74% of glyphosate from the gut. So you think this is a 30-day program. So that's not meeting the 6-week marker. So yes, this is what we talked about earlier, the SMART order. So this is where we can work in that SMART order and then get a daily core 4, which is basically these, and the next one I'll show you, the apothecary. You're not going to double, you're getting 1 of each as opposed to 2 of each. And that is your maintenance program. Daily Core 4 is your baseline nutrition maintenance program. You finish the ultimate lifestyle transformation, you get on Daily Core 4. Now you got 8 weeks of detoxification from the glyphosate. You're getting 74% out. You know, I think the Daily Core 4 is the best SMART order you can have. It's just covering everything. Then you add on other things as you see fit, like the joint flex if you got inflammation. You know, you got the fulvic zeolite if you're looking to detox heavy metals. So many different layers to it, but the Daily Core 4 is the best SMART order in my opinion. Now we got 2 of these here, and this is the Dream Juice. You know, this is something that you want to have some good dreams. You want to have good deep night's sleep. Apothecary is that, and here are the ingredients: organic sour/tart cherry juice concentrate. 1 ingredient. That's it. So most of the products from Purium, the farms, are from northern Utah, basically hundreds of miles away from any non-organic farm. So they're constantly testing for any pesticide residue, but they're so far away. In the 25 years of the company, they've only had to recall their products once, and that was due to they may have, not even confirmed, there may have been a farm that sprayed some out of their zone. They tested negative, but they were just so, they have a really high quality of food and, just ethics. So they said, hey, there's a slight chance, a tiny percentage of our products may have had some residue from neighboring farms. Someone sprayed in the wrong place. They didn't test positive, but it really just goes to show, and they gave out, free refunds to everybody who had it. So great company, great ethics. You're gonna get 2 of those. I'm not gonna take this one out, but that's another pop of cherry. And then the heavy hitter, it does come with a blender bottle as well. You can upgrade to a stainless steel, which I highly recommend to avoid any sort of plastic. They're BPA free, but again, plastic's still plastic, so I'd recommend upgrading to a stainless steel shaker bottle if you can. But the final one, number 5 of the 5 products in the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation is Super CleansR. So these are basically a bunch of herbs, and the intention here is to help to detoxify parasites, get rid of the bad fungus. Now we have a lot of bacteria, a lot of fungus in our system at all times, but this is getting rid of the bad guys. This is flushing out the parasites is really the main focus. A lot of us carry on parasites. I was in Asia for a while in 2017, as many of you know. I'm sure I picked up some parasites there. And so this is a great way to use some Chinese herbs to flush out the system, knock out those parasites. And the whole intention of the program is to basically give your body, your digestive system specifically, a break from your day-to-day consumption of a copious amount of calories. So you're getting your baseline nutritional needs with some intermittent fasting, and from that space, we are much more losing my words here. It is much easier to flush out toxins. So during that 10 days, so it's basically, depending on which program you use, the one that I've done the most is basically 10 days of easing in with the products, 10 days of the intensive cleansing, and I say intensive, it's really just intermittent fasting for the most part and calorie restrictive, and then 10 days of easing out. And in that 10-day intensive period is where you're using that super cleanser, only using it for 10 days. The intention is not to use it for 30 days because, again, it is, a detoxifying agent, which we, got to be careful with because these are powerful herbs. They do their job. So that flushes out the parasites. That gets you a clean slate, allows you to rebuild, repair. So you do your 30-day Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation. All these products, the other one down here, the other apothecary, over the course of 30 days, and then sign up for a smart order. That is the best way to do it. Sign up with a Daily Core 4, Daily Core 4 Plus Immune. That gets you the zinc aid. A lot of people are deficient in zinc. And that's a great way to get your health ongoing, get your nutrition ongoing. And what my favorite part about all this is this is not a get healthy quick scheme. This is not a 30-day and done. This is the launch pad for a lifestyle. It's called the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation because you learn so much about yourself over the process of doing this for 30 days. So you can use these for 30 days. Now you sign up for a smart order. That's the best part of the smart order. It's a win-win. You save 25%. Purium also gets a recurring customer. It's a win-win. That's what I love about this company is they're looking for win-wins. You also get double rewards points towards getting free products when you sign up for a smart order. So you finish this 30-day Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation, you get on a smart order, and now you have a continuous path forward. And then maybe you say, hey, maybe this month I slowed down on my PowerShake usage, so I don't need a whole Daily Core 4. Cool, keep the smart order going, and maybe you stick with the Biome Medic. You get some Aminos. Maybe you get a super xanthan. You get some joint flex. You can keep adding things on there, but the Daily Core 4 is the basis, and that's a great place to start. So I got a discount code for you here. I will put in the description box, or so I'm gonna share this video with you. They've got a discount code for you. But I really recommend checking out the Purium 30-day Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation. If you're looking to detox, you're looking to nourish, you're looking to repair, looking to rebuild your gut, rebuild your body at cellular level. This is what I've had a lot of clients use. I've used myself for the past 2.5 years since I've been working with this company. And it's really been phenomenal. It's been so convenient to, like I said, when I'm on the road, super aminos and some dark chocolate's a great snack. PowerShake in a shaker bottle. You know, I know that wherever I'm going, I have access to healthy organic food. Doesn't matter if I'm going to an airport. Doesn't matter if I'm going to a sports game. You know, I have that in the car before, a car home after, whatever the case is. It's on me. It's easy. It's convenient. It's pretty affordable. You know, this is like $11 a day. What do you spend $11 a day? You spend $6 on a coffee and, you know, $6 on a bagel. It's pretty affordable. So highly recommend checking it out. You know, if you're interested in sharing this with your friends, your family as well, you are looking to grow a business, a side hustle, we also have a business opportunity we're more than happy to discuss with you about. But yeah, looking forward to your transformation. Please feel free to shoot me a message on any questions. Like I said, you can get this with your own discount code. You save 25% on your order by using my code, which I'll put in the description box here. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you're having the best day ever. Appreciate you. Appreciate your support. And would love for you to get a transformation. Share your experience with me so we can keep growing. We can keep flowing. Keep having the best days ever, every day. Thanks for watching.